Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about the different type of arguments available in Python function definition. Okay, so in Python function we have discussed about the definition, simple definition, how to create a user defined function in Python. Okay, so we know that we have actual arguments and formal arguments, so we will discuss about these arguments. Okay, so there are different type of different types of arguments available uh, in Python. Okay, so one of them is required arguments. Okay, arguments means your number of arguments in your function call, which is actual argument, should match with the number of arguments in your formal arguments or in your function definition. Okay, that is required arguments, and that is the one which you are viewing. Okay, that is the one which you are viewing. This is the same thing. This is example of required argument. Okay, then another one is keyword argument. Okay, so in keyword argument we uh, we can define this a and b as a, what we can say, we will assign them a and b in function calling, just like this is known as keyword argument, like a equal to 5, b equal to 3. Okay, as you know that it will return the same thing, a comma b. Okay, there is nothing new inside it. Okay, but I can also do like, I can place b equal to 3 first. Okay, now it will I can write b first and a second, but it is receiving a first and b second. So that is with the help of keyword argument. We are specifying b equal to 3, so it will get information that it is assigning for assigning value 3 only for b, not for a, whatever the sequence of argument you are following, but it will follow the concept of keyword. Okay, so b equal to 3, so it will assign value 3 to b, not to a. Okay, executed, it will display the same thing, 5 comma 3. Okay, then another one we have is called default argument. Okay, so default argument we have to that will be one of the scenario. We have to define the default argument inside our function definition. Suppose if someone has forgotten to assign value for one of the argument, has forgotten to assign a value for one of the arguments, then the default argument will come into play. Then it will assign a default value to it. Okay, suppose b is equal to 5. Okay, now execute it. It will return the same thing which is returning in previous ones. Okay, it will return 5 comma 3 because it is receiving a equal to 5, b equal to 3. Okay, now suppose I have forgotten to write b equal to 3. Now execute it. Now the default will come, it will show 5 comma 5. Why? A is 5, that is okay. It is this a the a which is in for formal argument is receiving value 5 from actual argument. But what is about b? I have not specified anything for b in actual argument, so the default argument will come inside place. So b equal to 5 is default argument, that's why it is showing 5. So this 5 is 5 of default argument. Okay, so that is called default argument. Suppose if I have forgotten to suppose I have assigned a equal to 2, and I have also forgotten to give value for a equal to 5, then print it. Now both the default argument come inside play, so it will show 2 comma 5. So that is the example of default argument. Another one is called variable length argument. Variable length argument is followed by a asterisk sign. Okay, star. So the star is placed before the variable name. Okay, suppose if I write something like argument some argument A, then I have write uh, actually this the second one is tuple followed with a tuple carrying a asterisk sign in the beginning. Okay, that is the syntax of variable length argument. Okay, your that tuple will contain your that will contain values. Okay, that will contain values which will be used for the arguments, another arguments inside your function. Okay, so this is for different types of argument available in Python. I hope you like this video. Okay,